Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the all-new 2025 Kia K4. This compact sedan has been turning heads with its striking design, advanced features, and impressive performance. Let's explore what makes the Kia K4 a standout in its class. Starting with the exterior, the Kia K4 showcases a bold and dynamic design that sets it apart from its predecessors. The front fascia features angular headlights and a distinctive grille, giving it a modern and aggressive look. The fastback roofline adds a touch of elegance, while the pronounced fenders enhance its sporty stance. Hidden rear door handles contribute to a sleek and seamless profile, making the K4 not only stylish but also aerodynamically efficient. Moving inside, the K4's interior is a blend of comfort, technology, and thoughtful design. The cabin is spacious, offering generous legroom, especially in the rear seats, which is more akin to what you'd expect in a midsize sedan. The dashboard is dominated by a large 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that seamlessly integrates with the digital instrument cluster, providing a cohesive and user-friendly interface. Physical controls for essential functions are conveniently placed, ensuring ease of use without unnecessary distractions. High-quality materials and attention to detail create an inviting atmosphere, making every drive a pleasurable experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia K4 offers two engine options to cater to different driving preferences. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder, delivering 147 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT). This setup provides smooth and efficient performance, ideal for daily commuting. For those seeking a bit more excitement, the GT Line Turbo trim comes equipped with a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain offers brisk acceleration, with a 0 to 60 mph time of 7.3 seconds, and a more engaging driving experience. The GT Line Turbo also features a multi-link rear suspension, enhancing handling and ride comfort. When it comes to pricing, the Kia K4 is competitively positioned. The base LX model starts at $21,990, offering excellent value with a host of standard features. The mid-tier X trim, priced at $23,990, adds amenities like dual-zone automatic climate control and upgraded interior materials. For those desiring top-tier performance and features, the GT Line Turbo is available at $28,090, which includes the more powerful engine, sport-tuned suspension, and additional tech enhancements. Considering its blend of style, performance, and technology, the K4 offers a compelling package for those in the market for a compact sedan. In conclusion, the 2025 Kia K4 impresses with its bold design, comfortable and tech-forward interior, versatile performance options, and attractive pricing. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a sporty compact sedan with a bit more punch, the K4 is worth considering. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews.